Hi guys! Today I will show you some behind the scenes of a photo shoot that I did some time ago. First thing first, I really want to thank my model Liz for always being ready for my ideas. You can check her Instagram in the description. The inspiration for the shoot really came from this red dress. I saw it on one of Liz's stories and I really want to do a shoot with it in the fields during golden hour. So we did just that.
And I way too good to waste my time on boys like you. Can you speak without a filter? Can you give me something better?
As always, I shoot with my Canon R6, but switching between two lenses this time. For the first set of images, I use Canon RF 24 to 105mm lens in f4. I shoot from a low angle because I wanted to frame her with the branches and have only the blue sky behind her. We were close to the city, but I want to feel it like we were far away.
That's all I want. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart.
In the next set of images, I wanted to use this tall grass as a background.
And let me tell you something about myself. I'm not the clueless one. I'm neither weak nor dumb. So I don't buy this version of you have. No, you can swim in shallow waters, but it's gonna get you nowhere. And I'm way too good to waste my time on boys like you. Can you speak without a filter?
Before changing the location, I shot some photos with my 50mm lens. I still wanted the grass in the picture, but with more blur to make my model pop.
Gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Hey baby, if you want me to be with you, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah.
After we were done with the spot, we start walking around to look for another interesting location, and we found it. This fallen tree, with the sun behind, it was perfect. It was a struggle to move around, but in the end it was worth it. Check the pics.
To take me away, if you hear what I'm saying, you know to a place. Boy, can you prove there's much more to you? I bet you do. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Hey baby, if you want me to be with.
For the last set of images, the sun was setting and the lights start to change to blue hour. I love this time of the day, but I rarely get a chance to shoot during blue hour. As you know, I always tell my models to bring more than one outfit for the shoot, and the blue dress was just perfect for the light. We shot for a bit and I liked the pictures, but it felt like something was missing.
You don't know what that means. You can swim in shallow water.
I wanted to add something yellow to the shot and I found it by luck. Not far away from us, there were two sunflowers and I had to use them.
You give me something better, I bet you do. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Hey baby, if you want me to be with you, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Come on, give me something real, doesn't have to be ideal, just a part of you that's honest, that's all I want. Hey baby.
That's it for this photo shoot guys, like and subscribe, bye!